Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the ELUXE brand Sparkling Scalp Shampoo for thicker, fuller hair. And you have damaged hair, this is going to help you get rid of the frizzy hair. It uses something called carbonic acid, and it will repair any damaged hair that you have. This is paraben-free, all natural ingredients. Reaches into the hair fiber to help repair from within. Daily use of damaged hair will improve leaving your hair silky and soft and shiny. So the way this works is, it's a little different, it's not something you pour. You kind of push this button and you get this foam. So you wet your hair like you normally put soap in, and you use this foam. It smells really good. And apply it to your hair, rub it into your scalp, then rinse your hair just like normal. So my wife tried this for about a week and she loves it. And she's impressed with it because it made her hair really nice and soft and beautiful looking, and the scent was nice also. So we're both going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.